What's up everyone, welcome to this another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money online with a simple copy and paste method. So guys, it's very easy to implement, so all you have to do is stay with me and I'm gonna give you all the details right on this video. So guys, watch this video till the end. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches exactly how to make money online, and I upload videos daily. So hit the subscribe button guys, and don't forget to push the notification bell because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you would like to learn how I generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so make sure to click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be sharing with you some more information about that. Guys, the people who gone through the system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about that. So guys, let's jump onto this video. Alright guys, so today's method is going to be super easy to get started with it, and it might be something that you definitely haven't heard of. And to be honest guys, I had totally forgotten about this method, so you can make some few extra bucks with this method. But guys, keep in mind, you won't get rich by doing it. You can make some money, but it not will make you rich. So let's get started with this super easy method to make some money online and with copy and paste system. So guys, what we can do, we can go over to site called Clickfly. So guys, what's Clickfly is? So this is actually a link shortener site. So if you haven't seen some of my previous video guys, you probably have noticed that I use Bitly, and Bitly is another company. So you do take your long affiliate links and you shorten them, and that is exactly how it works. But here guys, you get paid for doing that. Now, how do they make money guys? Well, it's really simple guys. They do have some advertisement. So when someone click on that link, they do see some advertisement, and of course that how they make money, and you also. So it's definitely a cool way to make money on our affiliate links. Okay. So guys, you can make money here in two ways. So if you scroll down a little bit here, it's work really simple. You create an account and you shorten your link and you earn money. So guys, Clickfly is a highest paying URL shortener, and it's completely free tool where you can create short links which apart from being free and you get paid. So now you can make money from home when managing and protecting your link there. Now guys, how much do you make? Well, it's really depend on traffic, where your traffic is coming from. And the best part is this guys, you get 20% referral bonus. So guys, you get lifetime recurring commission. If you have a friend, you refer a friend and they make money, so you can make money too. And guys, you can see here's a low minimum payout, so you are required to earn only $3 before you will paid. And you can paid via PayPal guys, and you can also use Paytm, Bitcoin and many more. So guys, this is the highest rate, and I researched that and I can say that they probably are. So Clickfly is one of the most popular companies around, and they do have really high rates guys here. And you can also see here they have a lot of payment option. You can pay via PayPal, Bitcoin, Payoneer, and you can also a bank transfer. You can request to bank transfer. So guys, let us show you how their dashboards look like. So when you create an account, you can simply just type your email address and password, and you can also sign up with Google. So once you sign up guys, you can land it to your dashboard, their interface, and their interface look like this. So once you are in the dashboard, just click on a new shortened URL link, and here you can see. So guys, just type the URL that you have to shorten. Let's example.com and just hit the shorten button. So now guys, here's your link. So what you can do, you just copy that link and use whatever you want to do. Okay, you just promote this link via Twitter, Facebook, and that how you get paid guys. It's really simple. But guys, keep in mind, you get paid actually for your affiliate links. So if you get a commission, so you can also get paid with that. So this is how Clickfly works. and once you reach the $3 minimum threshold, guys, you guys get paid via PayPal and whatever you preferred. So go ahead and check it out, guys. And they also have a payout rates here. You can see how much you get, 1000 per views. So if your traffic is from Iceland, you get $20, guys, for 1000 views, and United States $15, Canada $12, Australia $12. So they have all the CPM rates listed here, guys. So go ahead and check it out, and I leave a link below in the description of this video, so you can go from there, guys. So guys, here it is. It's called clickfly.com. Go ahead and check it out. Sign up with this website. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches you exactly how to make money online. So hit the subscribe button. And if you would like to learn how I generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so if you want to make $100 a day online, so click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you some more information about that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Have an awesome day.